Grilled shrimp and summer squash salad today.
Perfect.
I'm going to ask you to just grab me some of the yellow summer squash right up top there, and then you're going to marinate the shrimp for me while I prep the squash.
Yeah, I did. I gave the guy a fin.
For
the roast.
It's an honor bar. It's an honor
Those
bar.
are beautiful, though.
These are actually these are actually gorgeous.
I'm always looking for recipes with squash and zucchini this time of year.
Yeah.
There's so much of it.
So I'm a fan of summer squash. They're super, super concentrated in flavor, which is why I like to use them, especially in this recipe.
You want me to take the kernels off this kind?
Yeah, so the corn has just been grilled, a little olive oil, salt, and pepper. You're going to throw that right on the grill. Cut our squash in half right here, and then seed it.
I got my shrimp, your shrimp here in this bowl. We mix it with the garlic, the chili flake.
So you're gonna go garlic, chili flake, and your dry oregano right there.
A little oil?
A little oil. You can be a little bit or a lot generous with the oil. It's really just a marinade. You're not looking for it to totally swim.
Got it. Any salt, pepper in here? You want to season it?
Salt and pepper both to taste.
What are your tips for making summer produce last? Since you work with it so much, I'm sure you got some really cool tips.
Preserving. Preserving. Pickling, such as, pickling stone fruit, pickling cherries.
Now, how'd you cut those? Now, you actually, you took out the seeds, right?
All I did was just seed them, and I ran the spoon right down the middle.
And not a lot of people do that, but that's like kind of a good way to keep that texture.
Correct.
Uniform,
that's where a good majority of the water content is. So I just want to remove a little bit of that. So all I'm going to do is just put these squash right in a little pan right here, and these are going to go right on the grill. I want to just wilt the squash lightly. I just want to soften them up just a little bit, so when they hit the vinaigrette, everything comes together.
All right, I got some herbs here I'm gonna chop up for you. I got your corn good to go, and your shrimp is kind of, how long do you want to keep it in there for?
An hour, you throw them right in your fridge. You can take them out, and they're pretty much ready.
Doesn't need a lot,
Not at all, not at all, not at all. So we're gonna go ahead and put our shrimp here.
I love grilled shrimp because you get that nice kiss of the heat on the outside. They're done so quickly. You don't have to be, hovering over the grill for a long time.
It's nice and easy. So while the shrimp is on, we're gonna go ahead and make our vinaigrette. I'm gonna take your corn, and I'm gonna start the salad.
It's all going to the same place.
It's all going to the same place anyway, right? And then I'm just like at home, I'm gonna back up and cheat, and we're gonna make our vinaigrette here. A little bit of Dijon mustard, some shallot.
And this is just the softened zucchini, right? I like it in there too, right? You got to make sure it's
honey.
Soft. No, it's very soft. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Fresh. Oh, so butter. It tastes like butter and honey.
Juice.
It's the classic vinaigrette, all those ingredients.
Nice and easy.
I
nice
love that.
Easy. Now, I like to use grapeseed oil in order to emulsify it.
Oh, nice.
It's a very, very neutral oil, and then we finish it with olive oil.
It's so thin, grapeseed oil.
Oh, that's a good idea,
Yeah,
to use the grapeseed and finish it with olive oil.
And then as this is going, then we're just going to
Get
go.
that for you, chef.
Thank you, chef. A little salt and pepper.
I think
Want me to flip your shrimp over here? It smells good.
Shrimp is
probably
like a
have a
good
minute.
101 if you want to start grilling. You want to learn how to grill fish.
Yeah.
Go with shrimp. It's a little forgiving, and it's very easy. It will give you the confidence to go to the next level.
So we have our grilled corn in here already. We're going to add our summer squash.
That is gorgeous.
So pretty, yellow on yellow.
Yep. Our blanched sugar snap peas.
Ooh.
Oh.
Ooh. Huh? You like those, Jeffrey. I see you eating them all the time backstage.
Snap peas. Sunflower seed, toasted.
Oh, I love sunflower seeds in a salad.
A little bit of Aleppo. Smoked chili.
Nice.
Smoked chili. We're gonna.
So if you didn't have Aleppo pepper, what would you recommend subbing in?
Just regular black pepper, a little salt and pepper.
That already looks good before you toss it, man.
Then we're gonna hit it with our lemon and honey vinaigrette.
Oh. You can eat that with a spoon too.
Oh no, this
like
is fantastic. It's actually, it's one of those things where you can actually make this, just dump it right in the fridge, and if you have any left over, it's lunch tomorrow. It really holds up. You're gonna add the herb for me.
A little quinoa.
So we have the chiffonade basil and the cilantro.
Right?
Look at that. Wow. That was really well done, I should say. And I just kept your cilantro whole here, too, because...
That's perfect. The leaves are beautiful.
It's a little warm out here, and I don't want to bruise it too much.
It's a touch. It's summer.
From our garden.
That came from our garden, too.
Yeah.
You know that,
Doing
Cliff?
it
We
up.
got a garden and a permanent fruit stand.
I'm waiting until we get an ice cream stand, then I'll be happy.
Yeah, that would be good.
Oh, look at
That's
these
good shrimp.
Come on now.
Yes.
That's good shrimp.
Put it where it belongs.
Yum. Oh, I'm gonna like like this. I know it.
I guarantee you we're watching this at home right now, me and Sarah, and she's gonna be like, we have to make this tonight.
have to make it
right
today.
now.
It's
This is
super,
right
super
up her alley.
simple, super light.
Shout out to Smaro1.
What's up?
What's up, Sarah?
The shrimp look
The little pecks of red in there let you know that pepper is popping.
That does. That looked like it came right from Seoul, which is our sun, our star,
Totally.
right onto
is.
this plate. That is so sunny.
There we
That's
go.
gorgeous.
Yeah.
All right, I'm going
She's
in.
missed it.
Bring this salad over here,
Missed it.
Jeff, so we can taste
Yeah,
it.
That
sure.
is
Yeah,
just so pretty, you know.
We passed me as this extra fork.
Oh my God.
Nice and easy.
Oh my God. Chef.
I'm gonna say it.
Very straight. Good job.
Man,
All
my
right.
God.
This is my favorite
I'm double
salad
dipping.
we've ever had on the show.
Wow.
I'm not even lying.
Super light.
We've had a lot of salad.
I'm double dipping.
I am not. You guys must make this super easy. The char on the shrimp is perfect. I mean, slight marinade, so everybody that shrimp is perfectly seasoned.
And great sous chef cooking the shrimp. Good job.
Thank you. And but it's just great. The herbs, the spring peas, and the star of the show are those. You got to take the seeds out of that, lightly grill them in that
Beautiful
pan,
as well.
right on the grill. Beautiful. This is delicious. Cliff Crooks, everybody.